Invest in Samoa is the catch cry of a two-day conference that started in Auckland this morning.
While the conference is showcasing locally made products for trade, it's also promoting unique investment opportunities in the islands. John Utanga has the story.
Samoa has been one of the Pacific's growing economies, but it's looking for help to keep expanding. And getting a high-powered public and private delegation in front of potential investors is the name of the game.
The government CEOs are all here and they are presenting what they are able to do for overseas investors in Samoa. The government will talk about the incentives that they have for certain investments and also about the land tenure system. As you know, that's now been tightened to protect investors in Samoa.
On show, locally manufactured products looking for markets and investors. But it's the 16 projects and investment opportunities to be presented later that's creating some excitement. They include opportunities in infrastructure development, manufacturing, and in rapidly expanding tourism.
Samoa is at where Hawaii was over 40 years ago. And if you imagine where Hawaii is now, then close your eyes and think where Samoa will be in less than 40 years, probably 20 years. The whole Pacific is growing in such a rapid pace.
While the opportunities to invest are open to everyone, it's hoped cashed-up Samoans here will see the investment potential across all sectors in the islands.
I know we were trying to attract the big status boys from China and India who've got some real big money. We're not quite there yet, but this is focusing now on our own people here in Auckland, our Pacific communities, our New Zealand community, who are looking at the Pacific in a big way and starting to realise there is a big market out there.
And if Samoa's anything to go by, it's a market crying out for investment dollars.